Whether we like it or not, it's coming.
I say it's a two hands on the wheel kind of day.
Yeah.
It is so windy out there today. Yeah,
And you feel it.
Cold.
You do, absolutely. The winds were strong yesterday. They're strong today. We've got that wind advisory up till 10 o'clock tonight. Gusts to 50 are possible, so that could do some damage across the area, and it's making it feel a little wintry outside as well. We actually had a little dusting of snow this morning in a lot of spots. Caused a mess on the roads early this morning. Out through Worcester County, Barry had just over 1.5 inches. Southbridge had just under 1 inch. But Chelsea, you can see just about 1/3 of an inch of snow for you. Lexington, Haverhill, about 2/10 of an inch of snow. So just a little bit, enough to kind of coat the car tops and the deck, some of the grassy surfaces. But it did make things a little slick this morning. Got up to a couple of inches from parts of southern New Hampshire. But I want to draw your attention here to western Massachusetts, out through the Berkshires, up into southern Vermont. Look at that, 25 inches of snow in southern Vermont. Eastern New York State, look at that, 2 feet there. You can see Pittsfield out in the Berkshires, about 9 inches of snow. So it is still snowing out this way. So we just got a little taste of it. Wintry look ongoing out here in the western part of the state. And a lot of these are lake effect snow bands, and a few of them are trying to reach on in before they fall apart here into Worcester County. So out toward Barry and North Brookfield, you could even see a couple of flakes here over the next few hours, but it's not going to amount to anything. The storm is sitting to our north and just spinning in this colder air. So the winds are not going to let up. You can see they're gusting right now to around 40 miles per hour in Worcester. We're still gusting to 30 miles per hour in Beverly. From Plymouth out to the Cape, we're gusting 35, close to 40 miles per hour. And that wind advisory again is with us till about 10 o'clock tonight. Here's the wind chill. This is what it feels like when you step outside. It feels like it's in the teens here at noontime in Worcester. The wind chill in Boston still running in the upper 20s, but at least we've got a little bit of blue sky mixing with the clouds in town right now. Temperatures 38 degrees, but there is that active wind. The air very dry as well with a dew point around 20. Temperatures only in the mid-30s up on the North Shore. We have touched 40 Plymouth out to the Cape. Worcester still sitting below the freezing mark, 1,000 feet up at the airport. Temperatures don't change much. We might gain another degree or two, but you're not going to feel it because the wind chill right now is in the mid and upper 20s. And notice right through the evening hours, wind chills are going to be holding in the 20s. So if you're heading out, you want to bundle up. Much those snow showers out in the Berkshires, notice how they don't really move too much. So nothing more than a stray flurry through the Worcester Hills. Otherwise clear to partly cloudy tonight. And we will drop down into the mid-20s in the coldest suburbs, holding close to the freezing mark in Boston overnight. And tomorrow we're still below average. Keep in mind we should be about 50 this time of year, but we'll do a little better tomorrow. We'll sneak back into the lower 40s, some mid and upper 30s back through the Worcester Hills. Over the course of the day, the winds will relax as high pressure settles in. So if you are traveling tomorrow, looks just fine. We look toward Wednesday and we're going to be watching this system right here. This is going to be moving across the country. So if you're traveling locally on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, you've got sunshine, seasonably cool temperatures. It's the system here in the middle of the country that's going to cause some problems if you're traveling. That will work toward us as we head toward Thanksgiving Day. There is very limited moisture with it, but it may be just cold enough in the morning hours that it could start as a little bit of a light mix of some sleet, some freezing rain, or even a little touch of snow. And then temperatures should warm into the 40s so that we may have a few showers around. It doesn't look like a pouring sort of rain that lasts all day, but a little unsettled on Thursday. And then Friday night into the upcoming weekend, we're watching the chance for another storm trying to get going. So it's an unsettled stretch, unfortunately, timing out around the holiday weekend. We'll keep you posted. Doug?